This week we're working on a little strut toe wiggle, or at least that's what I put as the video file name. This move is fun, but will help you develop some of those crossover and cross under skills. So be careful. I have tons of clips of me trying to do this move and almost rolling my foot all the way forward to fall backwards. The steps are simple. Left will cross over right, right steps out and to the front, just on the toe wheels to do the little wiggle. Then come back to cross under the left and repeat. It can also be practiced on the other side, but I must confess that I have not tried it. I haven't even thought about it until I decided to teach it to you guys, so I'm sure I'll give it a try in my next practice. The crossover and under is tricky. You'll notice each time that my foot directly under me is rolling to help myself complete the move. When I cross over, the back foot is already slightly moving backwards. When I cross under, the front one is rolling forwards. Be careful with this because you do not want your feet rolling away from under your body before your other foot gets there. In my strutting video, I talk a lot about crossing your feet over each other to do the strut and switching your feet and how to shift your weight. So if you're struggling to do this, go ahead and give that video a view. The same concepts apply for the crossing under. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in this week. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you get notified as soon as the next Footwork Friday video is up. See you in the next one.